Apparitions have been witnessed walking between the buildings and on the catwalks. There has been physical contact from an unseen force on multiple occasions. There have been 60 fatalities on the job site in less than 100 years in operation. An image of a foreman named Slag appearing out of thin air. Could it all be stories, myths, folklore, or is this place truly haunted? Ops returned to Sloss Furnaces to continue searching for the answer to that question. This time they brought along a few fans to try and experience it for themselves.